Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram profile picture on the Instagram app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Instagram and then select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. And then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. You want to select the Accounts Center button on this page. You want to select underneath where it says Profiles. Go ahead and select that. Select your profile listed in here. You want to select where it says Profile Picture. And at this point, you go ahead and have to allow Instagram access to your camera roll. And you can go ahead and then select the picture from your device. And that's pretty much all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.